So I've previously taken off this rear shock, so now I'm going to disassemble it. This whole assembly is held on by a little circlip just in here in a little groove. So what I've done is I've put some packing material either side of it. It's just uni-strut stuff. So so I'm going to compress the shock. That should reveal the little clip, and then I should be able to take it off. The reason I put that light there is just to show you that you need to leave a little gap, otherwise the clip will stay with it. So you don't want to do that. So I just put a little gap either side of it, and I'm going to compress that shock now. And hopefully it works. Let me get the light and I'll just show you. So you see there's the little groove and there's a little clip there. So that's all that's holding that shock together. Let me try and zoom it in for you. Okay, so I'm going to get a couple of screwdrivers now and try to push this clip down. And once it's down, I should be able to. There's the clip. Do the same on the back. Okay, now it's still catching on the edge of that, but that's okay. Now, it should come apart as soon as I release it, so I'll just release it slowly. You know, it is preloaded, so. That's it. Okay. That's it disassembled. There's the clip. So I'll just take it off again. And let's put it on the bench. Right, I have it on the bench now. So it's really funny that it's only this little clip that holds it in, so that's it there. It just comes out. That's the clip. You know what? I might actually just put it in the vise and just pull that off. It's actually the stickers that are holding it. Okay. I just put it in a vise and just twisted it. So that's off next. There's the spring. That's what I want to clean that up. There's the preloader at the bottom. And there is a dust. Should be a dust cap here, kind of a rubber dust cap. That's actually missing. Gosh. And then this here should unscrew, and you should be able to release this. It's full of rubbish. And there should be a rubber, kind of a damper, I think, inside. That's disintegrated. Okay. So I'll just put that back in the vise and I'll just open that up. There we go. Should be able to screw that out, the bottom part. Now I have two of these shocks, so I'm hoping if I disassemble the two of them that I'll be able to make at least one. So what I'll do is, now there it is, off, and there's the bottom part. The bushing in this one is gone, the other one is fine. And oh yeah, do you see that? There should be a piece of rubber in there. That's gone. Now, okay, so that's the complete assembly of this rear shock. So what I'll do is I'll put it all in the cabinet, I'll blast the whole lot, and then I'll paint it, and I'll be able to assemble them. So I'll do that for both, and I'll see how good the other one is. I'm presuming it's going to be the same. This rubber is going to be a problem. I don't know where I'm going to get that from. So yeah, okay, so I've stripped all the parts, and they're painted now, so they're just drying. And what I'm going to do, there was little pits there on that, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some rubbing compound. I'll show you. I'm going to put on some rubbing compound, just like that. I'm going to try and polish them out. So I have a machine for that. Do it by hand as well, but sure, might as well use a machine. Okay, so here it is, the finished shock. As you can see, it's turned out pretty well. You can do this very easily if you have a press. I don't know how you do it without a press, to be honest. But it is a quick job. You know, you could probably disassemble it in 15 minutes, less than 15 minutes even if you have a press. There's only one clip here that holds it, so once you can compress that, the clip just pops out. You don't need any special tools. I fitted it back up. I've greased this. There's a bearing inside here, so I've greased that up already, and I fitted and I've torqued those two. So that's it. Now that job is finished, and next I'm gonna start, I think, with the electrics. I've already installed the two coils. One coil is here, and the other one is up the front. I've cleaned out this bottle. It was full of oil inside. So maybe an indication of why this bike was off the road. It could have had some head gasket issues previously. I also found no thermostat in the thermostat housing, so again that's a kind of a telltale sign. Something's overheating, something. Yeah, so I've mounted the front fuse box. So yeah, so I'm gonna get onto that next, and yeah, and just keep going with this.